Let me create running nodes actually. All right. Yesterday we already done series attributes and methods. Today the running nodes number 41 and data frame. Introduction actually. Okay. So 07. Yeah. The previous topic is a series methods. Now the current topic is a data frame introduction. Data frame intro actually. Quick introduction. Upcoming topic is a loading the different files, I guess. Yeah, good. Loading the different files. Loading different files. We'll see that. We can close this. We can even close this. Yeah, exactly. I'm sorry. Running topic. Upcoming. Let's take this. Good. We are entering into the new topic. The topic name is called as a data frame introduction. What is the topic name? Data frame introduction. Before entering into the new topic, let us just try to have a small quick recap actually. That would be. Tim, let me tell you from the chapter number 1, you should understand Pandas is a kind of some Python library. It is having mainly data structures. It is having mainly what exactly? Data. There are mainly 3 data structures. Series, data frame, panel. Talk with me. Series, data frame, panel. Daniel, by using this one, what we can do? Simple, we can do the data analysis. We can do what exactly? Data. How to install Pandas? So, pip install Pandas. One more time. Pip install Pandas we can install. The next one will be, once you understand that one, the hello world program in a Pandas is, so in a Python, print hello world, that is a basic program. But in Pandas, if you wanted to write a hello world program, importing a Pandas is called as a basic program. Importing the Pandas is called as a hello world program actually. Am I right or not, sir? We done that example. When you are importing Pandas, module name should be match. Otherwise, you will get an error. I mean, when you are importing the Pandas, PANDAS all are lowercase actually. If you are giving wrong name, you will get an error. Error name is a module not found error. One more time. We are good to go. Second chapter, what I covered, in a series introduction especially. In this chapter, I have covered in such a way that generally series is a data structure. It can store that. Sir, Pandas is a structured data. What exactly? Structured data. I wanted to store the data in a single column. You're talking about the structure, more structure oriented actually. If you wanted to store the data in a single column, you have to use series data structure, right? So technically speaking, series is a predefined class. Series is what exactly? When you're talking about the class mainly contain 2 things actually. I mean, especially Pandas related class. First one is an attribute. Next one is a methods. Yeah. Attributes returns information. about the object. Attributes are giving information about an object actually. Yesterday we have seen. There are some certain attributes we have seen. What are attributes? Values, so index, D types, size. These are all things we have seen actually. After that, we have seen about the methods. So let me tell you, method performs an operation. Chapani, method performs an operation. I'm telling one more time. The difference between attribute and methods is, let me tell you, in a simple way. Normal terminology lo cheptanu chudandi. In a simple terminology. Attribute means my name. What is my name? Daniel. That NAME is called as an attribute. Means you are asking about my information. My name, attribute actually. You are asking about my salary, attribute. You are asking my wife name, attribute. Are you getting? Let me tell you. What is a method? Method perform an operation. Daniel, what you are working? Working is an operation. Walking in an operation. Sleeping is an operation. Talking is an operation. Method can perform an operation. Sir, meeku ardhamainda ippudu? That's the difference between attribute and method. Attributes giving information. Methods perform an operation. That's what you need to be understand. It is okay. So I hope we have covered yesterday. I wanted to print top 5 values. Then there is a method. Method name is a head method. I wanted to print bottom 5 rows. There is a method. Method name is a tail method. If method name is wrong, we'll get an error. Error name is a. We are good to go. Let us start now the new topic. The topic name is called as a data frame. What is the topic name? Let's move on. Simple. Our material, it talks with you. Data frame is a two-dimensional data structure. Till now we know only definition, but practically we are going to see today. Data frame is just like a table. Data frame is just like what exactly? Daniel, what do you mean? Do you think lunch table, dining table? No, not that one. Table means when you're talking about the database, when you're talking about what exactly? If anyone is coming from, Daniel, I'm from Oracle, I'm from MySQL, my background is the database actually. Then we can store the data in a table format. What format actually? This one also just like a table. Just like what exactly? Table, but virtual table actually. I will show you today. Data frame contains rows and columns. When you're talking about the data frame contain mainly rows and columns. Chapandi. Rows and columns. One more time. Rows and columns. One more time. Good. There is one query. Let me look into that. Let's move on. Data frame is a predefined class. Data frame is what exactly? Predefined class actually. How can I say, kindly please make a note. This one is a single word. In a single word starting with capital letter, next word. What is the next word? F. F is a capital letter. Predefined class. During our Python, how to create our own class, we have seen already actually. Student class we have created. Daniel class we have to create. That explanation we have to map here so that you can understand very clearly. Yeah, sir, I need one response from you. Chaptara evarana? Data frame is a predefined class. Chapandi? Class actually, class. Generally, if class discussion came, immediately 3 points you need to talk actually. First one, importing the class. First one, importing the class. Second one, creating an object. Second one, creating an object. Third one, calling the method. One more time, importing the class, creating an object, calling the method. One more time, importing the class, creating an object, calling the. ఇది మీరు ఎలా గుర్తుండాలో తెలుసా? లైక్ ట్వింకిల్ ట్వింకిల్ లిటిల్ స్టార్ అంటాం చూసా, అలా గుర్తుంచుకోవాలి మీరు. ఐఎమ్ సారీ ఫర్ గెటింగ్. Yeah, these are all, there are 3 columns I have created: employee number, name, salary. And I have one small question for you. Get ready to understand. Tim, whenever you are looking at the table today onwards, first you need to look at the rows, but not columns. But not what exactly? Column. First, always we have to count the rows first actually. Who is the first man? Rows first. Rows first. Yeah. How many rows would you have? Let me tell you, if you are creating a table like this, data frame like this, by default, it will get index also. By default, it will get what exactly, man? Index also. Index also. How many rows would you have, Index starts from 0. Index starts from what exactly? Do one thing. +1 you can add actually. 3 + 1. What is the result? 4 rows would you have. If you want, you can count manually. 1, 2, 3, 4. Instead of taking manual count, actually go to the directly index, then +1 you can apply actually. Why +1? Starts from 0. Starts from what exactly? 0. One important point. Whenever you are counting the row, header is not countable. What is not countable? Chappan andaru. It is not like row number 1, row number 2, row number 3, row number 4. Sir, sorry. You misunderstand actually. Right? Whenever you are counting the row, header is not countable. What is not countable? Header is not countable. We are good to go. Next one. How many columns would you have? 3 columns, right? 1, 2, 3. Whenever you are counting the name of the column, index is not countable. What is not countable? Index is not countable actually. Index is not countable. If anybody is asking, can you please do let me know what is this exactly, the data frame size means? Now you have to talk like, first rows 4, 3. What exactly mean? 4, 3. Ela chappali meeru. Did you remember in your childhood matrix size actually? First we need to tell rows. Next we need to tell column. Same fundamental. Anyway, we are going to talk more and more later actually. More the discussion. Yeah, see, columns ante enti, rows ante enti. I'm specifying. Our material is more organized, sir. Trust me, more organized actually. Yeah, we are good to go. Data frame is a predefined class in PANDAS. So we can create a data frame in a different ways. Like previously, we have seen creating about the series. Empty series we have created. I have created a series by using list. We have created a series by using array. And these are all things, we done actually. It's a right time you need to be understand how to create a data frame. How to create what exactly mean? Data frame. Empty data frame we can create. Sir, empty list, empty tuple, empty set, empty series, empty data frame. These are all things are possible. These are all things are possible. Next one, by using single list we can create. By using what exactly? Single list. Next one, by using nested list also we can create. By using dictionary, with another, okay. With another data frame, you can create a data frame. We'll see that step later. And the last one is what exactly? Loading the file. Talk with me. Loading the file. Loading the file. Okay. Yeah. Generally, in real time purpose, in real time, whenever we are loading existing file, then it returns data frame. Loading the files, upcoming topic. Loading the files. The order is seriously beautiful actually, especially our material. I know if I keep the first topic is the first, there is a reason actually. It's not like a random order. Please make a note on this. All you guys are juniors, man. From starting to till last actually. With my experience I'm talking, if you're not doing practice actually, you cannot understand the topic. Straight to the point. What is required? Practice. Not one time practice cannot bring awesome results. Talk with me. One time practice cannot bring awesome. You need awesome result actually, but you're doing one time practice. No, not possible. Minimum 5 times you need to do. How many times? Let me stop my overaction. Let us continue. Good. Let's continue. Chappan sir. Single column, good question. We can do actually. We can do. We are doing. Very nice. First point, creating a data frame. Creating what exactly mean? Data. Empty data frame. Did you remember how to create empty series actually? You already know. Same thing like that, we are going to create empty data frame. We are going to create what exactly? Empty data frame. Empty data frame మనం create చేస్తాం చూడండి. Look at my screen. Import pandas as pd. Yeah. S equals to pd dot what exactly? Series. We have created empty series. Am I right? Now df equals what is a pd dot data frame. Pd dot what exactly? Data frame. This is really very good. First one is a series. The next one is a data frame. Next one is what exactly? Data frame. We are good to go, I guess actually. I have one small question for you. Can somebody ఎవరైనా చెప్తారా what is this? Class. Very good. What is that? Class. Whole line is a during object creation something executes. Constructor. What is this one? Class. How can you say? Yeah. When I'm telling like, how can you say? Starts with uppercase letter. What letter? Uppercase letter. What letter? Let me ask you a question. What is this? Class. How can you say? Uppercase letter. Very good. Nice scenario, sir. Very good actually. Is it in Hyderabad actually? Never. Let's run. Empty series we created, empty data frame we created. Yeah, very good. Empty data frame. What data frame? Let me tell you, columns are empty. And rows it is representing like an index. Rows it is representing like what exactly? Index. We are good to go. Come on, let's move on. There is a lot we need to discuss actually. There is a lot. Move on. We done this. Daniel, I wanted to check the data type. Yeah, you can check actually. And to check the data type, what we need to do, you can just have to apply. There is a function. The function name is a type. We already know, I guess, actually. Type of what exactly? DF. Previously, one student asked, Daniel, why you have given DF? We are habituated. Why? Because starting letter is the D and F actually DF. If you want still, you can give A also. That is still okay actually. The variable name can be anything. Object name can be anything actually. Yeah, see, class, the name of the class is the data frame. This is the main package, sub package, sub package. I have a question for you. Can somebody tell what is this? Function. What is this one? How can we say? So simple uppercase letter. What exactly? Uppercase letter. Yeah, starts with uppercase letter or uppercase letter. I can connect very quickly. Checking the data type. Checking what exactly mean? Data type. Data type. We know these are all things, man. Like a bread and butter for us actually by this time. ఈ పాటికి మనకి అన్నీ తెలుసుంటాయి actually. Okay. Creating a data frame by using single list. By using what exactly? Single list. This is real interesting. Previously, we have created a series by using list to data structure. What data structure? List to data structure. Now we are going to create a data frame by using list to data structure. What data structure? List to data structure. Let me tell you, creating a data frame. First one, single list. What exactly mean? Single list. If you are creating a data frame by using single list, then this is something like a single column data frame. Chaptara? Single column data frame. Okay, single column data frame. Data frame can contain single column. Can contain what exactly? Single column. Single column. Now the second one, Daniel, can I use nested list actually? Can I use what exactly? Nested list. If you are creating a data frame by using nested list, then it is a data frame. Data frame having rows and columns. What exactly mean? Rows. It can contain rows and columns actually. Multiple rows and multiple columns. I will cover one by one. You will get an idea. First, let me target about, yeah. It allows, sir. During exactly group by I can talk actually. During, still it will like a single column only. I mean to say, good question. Our friend is asking, Are Daniel, can I make it? We already know. This one is a series. This one is what exactly? Series. This series is a single column. Series is what column actually? Single column. But let me tell you, instead of this series, if you want, you can store group of columns also. During group by I can talk. Group by I can talk actually. Okay. It is storing other columns. Beautiful. Let me talk about a single list. Go back. Let me just try to enter into the example straight to the point. Import pandas as PD. You have to type, you should not copy paste actually. Let me take 10, 20, 30, 40. Now df equals to what exactly mean? PD dot data frame. Data frame. Chopandi. Yeah. Let me just try to print what exactly? df. Very good. Team. One day I kept a hold one point actually. That point will be series name of the column. It will display in bottom. It will display in, but in a data frame, what exactly happened, So please make a note actually. Listen carefully. We are trying to creating a data frame. with a single column. With what exactly? As of now, no name of the column. If there is no name of the column, by default, pandas will assign name of the column starts from 0. Chaptara? Starts from 0. One more time. Starts from 0. Very good. Please make a note actually. There is no name of the column. Series, it cannot give default name actually. Pandas, it will give name of the column. It will give what exactly? Name of the column. What is the name of the column? It is something like a odd. What is the name of the column 0? Can I give my own name? We can give. I will help you step by step actually. Here is the point I wanted to cover. Whenever you are creating a series, unfortunately, column name instead of bottom, if it display at the top actually, it will become data frame. It will become what exactly? That's the reason. Series name of the column, they are displaying at what level actually? Bottom level. That's the reason. I know which point at what time I need to cover actually. మళ్ళీ చెప్తున్నాను చూడండి తెలుగులో. లెట్ మీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్, జస్ట్ ఎలో మీ యాక్చువల్లీ. సిరీస్ క్రియేట్ చేసినప్పుడు కాలమ్ నేమ్ బాటంలో ప్రింట్ అవుతుందని నేను చెప్పాను కదా. అన్ఫార్చునేట్లీ ఒకవేళ కాలమ్ నేమ్ కనుక టాప్ లో వస్తే అది డేటా ఫ్రేమ్ అయిపోద్ది. అదేమైపోతుంది? దట్స్ వాట్ దే ఆర్ ప్రింటింగ్ ద నేమ్ ఆఫ్ ది కాలమ్ ఎట్ బాటమ్ యాక్చువల్లీ. హోప్ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్. లెట్స్ మూవ్ ఆన్. We are good to go. Hey Daniel, can I give names actually? Sir, you can give. So let me just try to give. The first one will be Daniel, the next one will be Raju, the next one will be Roja, the next one will be Rani. Yeah, you can give anything. Raju actually. Chappan sir. Yeah, only data ne print chestam. Good point. Still we can see more later actually. Index also it is printing. Yeah, yeah. You got. Sir, what is this one? Name of the column. What is that? Name of the column. We are good to go. I'm pretty sure you understand. Creating, single column data frame. What exactly? Single column. Can I ask a question? Do you think this is series actually? I will cry. Why? Because it is not a series. It is a data frame. It is what exactly? Data frame actually. That's what. I'm roaring and explaining actually. Move to the next example. Move to what exactly? Next example. I'm planning to create a data frame. Create what exactly? Data frame with nested list. What list man? Nested. This is quite interesting man. This is chala interesting untadi. Let us move on. First of all, let me explain what is a nested list. Nested list, let me explain. A list, another list. What exactly mean? A list, another list. Otherwise we can say a list inside list. Talk with me. A list inside list is called as nested list. Is called as what exactly? Nested list. Let me show you. You'll get an idea. Equals to. I'm planning to create like this. Yeah, good. The first one. Let me just two values. First one is a Daniel. My age is a just counting 17, sir. The next one will be Raju. He's a big person, 32 actually. The next one, Kusuma actually. Kusuma, 21. All right. This is called as a nested list. Chappan sir, nested list. You can create like this. మీరు ఇలా క్రియేట్ చేయొచ్చు. Sorry. Yes, see, you are getting output like this. It is called as a nested list. What exactly mean? Nested list. But no structure here. Right? I would like to say nested list 1, nested list 2, nested list 3. We'll do one thing. I need a structured data. I need what data? Convert into data frame. Convert into what exactly? Data frame. Come on, let's move on. More interesting. Here onwards, more interesting actually. To create a data frame, I hope you know so the points actually. First, to import pandas as PD. Import what exactly? Pandas as PD. DF equals to Daniel. Without importing pandas, can I work on pandas example? Highly impossible. Without rice, we cannot prepare rice actually. Am I right or not, sir? I'm sorry. Yeah, who is this one? Saujanya boss. It cannot display the data type actually. I can talk with you. There is a reason. You in the sense everyone. PD dot data frame. PD dot what exactly? Data frame. Good. We are good to go. Chapne kade em wali? Yeah. Let us just have to print the DF. Let us just have to print what exactly? DF actually. Yeah, team, this is really beautiful. Two columns. How many? Two columns. First column. So this is really very good. So I wanted to display, this one is the first record. Very good. Record number 1. This one I wanted to print record number 2. Record number 2. Now, whenever you are printing the data frame, now somebody even over online, one of our teammate is telling, Arey Daniel, data type is not coming. Exactly. Whenever you are printing the data frame, you will get a 3 outputs, man. How many outputs actually? 3 output. The first one index output actually. What output, man? Index output. The next one, name of the columns. What is the next one? Name of the column. Third one, data. Third one, what exactly? Data. I wanted to see data type. Separate story. I can talk later actually. Why? Because every column having the different data. That's what it cannot display whole things in one shot actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Good. Let's continue. By default, PANDAS can assign name of the columns and it starts from 0. It starts from what exactly? Daniel, can I customize? We can do that. We can do that actually. Okay. Mano own name of the columns kuda manu ivochu. How we can give? I will help you step by step. Be patient actually. We are good to go. Sir, can I ask a question? How many rows? Cheppan sir, 3 rows. How many columns? What is the column names? 0, 1. What is index? 0, 1, 2. Yeah. This one is a, hold on. Row number 1. Row 1. Next one is a row 2. And next one is a, thank God only 3 rows would we have. This one is a column 1. What exactly mean? Column 1. This one is a column 1. This one is a column 2. This one is index. This one is what exactly? Index. We are good to go. Good to go. You should know, man. Pratidi meeku idea undali actually. If you are using single list, then it is creating a single column data frame. If you are using list of list, kind of some nested list, then it is creating multiple columns in a data frame. Multiple what exactly mean? Columns. Chudandi. Wow. And here is the name of the column. If you want, you can check the data type. Here is a small note actually. From the output, data frame created by single column. Here column name is a 0. We can customize this column also. Sir, Daniel, what is this name of the column? I wanted to give my own name actually. Sir, possible. I can talk actually. It is possible. We can customize the name of the column. Chappan, sir. Yeah. In series, how you customize the index? Let me tell you, everything is possible, man. Everything is possible. If you won't like 0 is the name of the column, we can do that one later. Now here I am giving string data. What data? String data. Ranjan, Sagar, Daniel, Prasad, Pravalika. These are all things actually. If no index is passed, then by default index will be range of n actually, where the array length, where the range is what exactly? Array length. Total how many values would you have? What is the last index actually? 7. 7 plus 1. How many values? 8 values actually. We are good to go. Am I going speed actually? No, good. Now here what I'm doing, Daniel, I wanted to know total number of how many values actually. You can use one function. Function name is a length. What is that function? Length you can use actually. Length you can use. Good. Wow. Total number of, 8 actually. Go back. If you are creating a data frame with list of lists, then it create a multiple columns. Fine then. We already covered this example too. Look at the output actually. Look at the output. Very good. We already done this kind of example, So Ranjan 11, Sagar 12, respectively, Akshay 18, right? So from the output data frame created with two columns actually. Here column names are 0 and 1. And if you want, you can customize this as well. If you want, you can customize what exactly this as well. Giving column names to the data frame. Wow, interesting. Look at the output actually. Look at what exactly mean output. This is really pretty good. Previously, name of the columns, what exactly meant Chapani? 0, 1. Hey Daniel, I don't want to hear. Thank God by default name of the columns it is giving. If you're not providing, it is taking responsibility. One extra step it is taking actually. But I don't want 0, 1, 2. I wanted to give my own names actually. First column name is a name, second column name is a age, third column name is a salary. You can give, sir. My favorite syntax. What is that? Any idea? Keyword argument. Chapan, sir. Keyword argument actually. You have to use keyword argument. Come on, let me just try to execute this example. Let me help you. Is it okay? Can I copy this? We don't have a luxury time, sir, to type actually. Okay, at least this one, let us just try to type the code actually. df equals to pd dot data frame. And what is the name of the variable, man? Details. Let me just try to provide here. Print of df. Print of, yeah, something went wrong here. Frame. Let me just try to run this example. The name of the columns you will get 0, 1, 2. What happened? Is missing. Sorry, man. Sorry. Yeah, you will get a 0, 1, 2. Daniel, I don't want this. Then do one thing. Create a list 1, 2, 3. 3 strings actually. You need a 3 columns, right? You can just try to come here and you can just try to create one small variable cols equals to list. What is the first column name you are looking for? Desired column name, the name, a kind of some student name. The next one is a age. It's okay. The next one is a salary. Next one is what exactly mean? Salary. It's okay, cool. Do you think we done with example? No. We just created a string, but we didn't attach that actually. If you wanted to use that one, what we need to do, here, columns equals to cols. Sir, my favorite syntax. What exactly? Favorite syntax. Topic name is a keyword argument. What exactly? We know this one many times I told actually. Beautiful, sir. Column name is a name is salary. Very good. Hope you are getting actually. మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా sir? Very good. If you really understand, let me draw one nice diagram. Come on. Now I need a response from you. I need what exactly? Response from you. We'll do one thing. A equals to 10 and B equals to 1.23. 1 point what exactly? 23. Now I just wanted to print according to the order. First I wanted to print A. Then next I wanted to print B. Okay. Then next I wanted to, let us maintain small social distance. చూడండి. Total how many? Variable number 1, variable number 2, and this one is object or variable. This one is what exactly? Object or what exactly? Variable actually. Am I right or not, sir? Let me tell you. Yeah. Back to the session. 1 minute, boss. 1 minute. I'm sorry. Just 1 minute. I may miss the flow. Here what exactly happened, ఇక్కడ మీరు ఒక డయాగ్రామ్ డ్రా చేయడం అలవాటు చేసుకోవాలి. First initially this is important. There are total 3 objects. First object name, talk with me sir. A. Okay. A. How much value it is storing? 10. It is okay. 10 actually. It should be bold, man. Okay. It is pointing to the A. It is okay. Next variable name. Next object name B. Chappan sir. B. What is the value? 1.23. It is pointing to B. It is pointing to what exactly? B. It is okay, cool. I like bold men. Control X. We are good to go. Sir, next object, beautiful. What is object? Data frame. What exactly mean? Data frame. Seriously, very good. Such a big object. You have to think like this visualization. మీరు ఇలా ఆలోచించాలి. Okay, seems to be just a variable name. What you guys need to do, apply snipping tool. Take this one. Wow, that's what you should get an idea actually. Very good. Did you understand or not, sir? We are dumping, we are saving all the data in one object. An object is such a powerful, it can store single value, it can store floating value. Sir, it can store structured data also. What data? Structured data. Daniel, what is advantage? The advantage with this object oriented is store inside object actually you can do miracle. You can call attributes, you can call methods actually. That's the beauty with the total data science actually. In a total data science, we are playing with object men. Total data science, one topic is important. The topic name is a object. What is the topic name? Object actually. And pratidi manam we are playing with object. Yeah, boss, tell me. Kusma garu, cheppandi. We can give. Then by default, none values will come. That we are working actually. Okay? Yeah. So can I get a response? Did you understand or not, sir? Can I take this diagram? Can you remind me end of the session? I can help you this. Is it okay? You won't like this diagram? If you don't want, I cannot give actually. Control S. Object. DF. I'm talking about more DF actually. Go back and last log gurcheyandi. I can add actually. Let's close this. Online team, hope you understand, sir. There is a one query from online. Let us just have to look into that. Cheppandi. Any example when the data is stored in a nested list in real time actually? Karim sir, during loading the file I can talk with you. Sojani ma'am, we covered actually. Next one. Siddiq sir, how is PANDAS recognizing the position of arguments actually? Sir, it was structured in such a way that, sir, it takes care automatically. Behind there is a constructor, that constructor is taking automatically. That's the beauty. We no need to tell this one is your position, this one is your position actually. But okay, I understand. If you really wanted to understand about more position actually, there is a topic, the topic name is called as a LOC and ILOC. At least during that time you can understand. During LOC and ILOC topic, we will understand. We'll learn actually. We are going to learn. Okay. This one is valid point. Next point will be. Can we give list comma list to get two columns within the linked list actually? Sir, you have to follow exactly same order. Otherwise, you will get a zigzag order actually. Yeah. Let's move to the discussion. I'm sure you're done actually. Let me hover my mouse. Can somebody tell me what is this? Class. Can somebody tell me? Keyword argument. Now let me tell you. Backend there is a constructor. There is what exactly? Constructor having two parameters. How many parameters? First parameter you are using positional argument to pass the value. Second parameter you are using keyword argument. Please understand. First one you are using positional argument. Second one you are using keyword argument. The whole line is what exactly? Object creation. What creation? Beautiful, sir. Object is a beautiful topic actually. Yeah, it is having Supriya boss. Data frame also having none value. We are going to talk about that one more. Creating a data frame by using dictionary. Important interview question. This one is important actually. Let me create a data frame by using, let me create a dictionary. Let me create a data frame by using dictionary. Let me show you how to do that. Tim, dictionary means I hope you know this kind of syntax you know very well as actually, right? Key value pair is required. What is required? Key value. Now let me tell you today, let me give here is the name. The key is what exactly? Name. And here I just wanted to give a list of names actually. Instead of giving single name, name is a Daniel. Let me just try to provide list of names. This one is a syntactically valid actually. First name I wanted to give Daniel. And the second name I wanted to give what exactly, sir? Kind of some Raju. The third name I just wanted to give kind of some Rani actually. Raju actually. Okay, good. Comma. The next one I wanted to give A's column. Again list. Daniel is the 16. Next one 17. Next one is the 18. All right, enough. Two things are more than enough. Daniel, I wanted to, first of all, let me print this dictionary. This is valid. This what exactly mean? Valid. Yeah, dictionary. What exactly, sir? Dictionary, right? Key is name and A's. Value is first key. Value is a Daniel Raju. And second key value is 16, 17, 18. Are you clear about this? Yeah, good. This one is valid example. Let us create a data frame. Let us create a data frame by using this. How to create a data frame, sir? Import pandas as pd. Now ఇక్కడ మీరు ఏం చేయొచ్చో తెలుసా? df equals to pd dot data frame. What exactly mean? Data frame of d. Very good. One important entry question here actually. One important entry question. And what is the point here, Team, whenever you are giving a dictionary to create a data frame, keys behaves like a column names. Keys behaves like what exactly? And here explicitly you no need to provide name of the column. మీరు ప్రత్యేకంగా కాలమ్ నేమ్స్ ని ప్రొవైడ్ చేయాల్సిన పని లేదు యాక్చువల్గా. ఎక్స్ప్లిసిట్లీ యూ నో నీడ్ టు ప్రొవైడ్. డూ యూ వాంటెడ్ టు సీ అవుట్పుట్ యాక్చువల్లీ? లుక్ ఎట్ దట్ వన్, యూ విల్ గెట్ అన్ ఐడియా. వావ్, seriously amazing. Sir, did you understand or not, sir? Hope you are getting. If you are using nested list, then explicitly columns equals to name of this string you need to provide actual. Am I right? But if you are using dictionary, if you are using what exactly? Dictionary, keys behaves like a name of the column. Keys behaves like what exactly? Name of the column. Fine, we are good to go. Till now I have covered how to create empty data frame, single column data frame. We have created a data frame by using nested list actually. And we have created a data frame by using dictionary. What exactly? Dictionary. These are all things we done. Move on. Kindly please walk. Yeah, చెప్పండి sir. We can. Anything we can give actually. Yeah, by using keyword argument, exactly. We are doing that example. Like a series how we done actually. Good question. We can create a data frame by using dictionary. And if you are using list of list, then creates a data frame with multiple columns actually. If you are using list of list, then it creates a data frame with what exactly? Multiple column. I'm sorry for saying unrelated point actually. Point ikkada akkarledu actually. Okay. Let me modify the document. In the above example, name is considered like what exactly mean? Column names. We can customize exactly. We can customize the index too. By default, index starts from 0. Hey Daniel, can we customize the index values actually? Yeah, if index is passed, then the length of index should be equal to the length of the data frame. Now we are going to play with index. We are going to play with what exactly? Index actually. Get ready to understand. Chudandi. Team, talk with me. What is the topic chapter? Data frame introduction. What is the topic? Data frame introduction. In pandas, I'm frankly speaking actually. So I'm explaining about maybe the function topic, it is coming in upcoming actually. Functions I'm going to cover. The next one, classes actually. What exactly? Classes. Anyway, once function came, I can talk with you. Classes I'm talking. What is the first class, sir? Chapani? Series class. The next one? Very good. Data frame actual. Inside class, it can contain attributes. And next one, it can contain what exactly? Methods. We are good to go. Method actual. Same thing like that. Inside data frame, we do have a Chapan, sir? Attributes. Next one, methods. Very good. Indirectly, what I done, initially by using Python, I have taken great added advantage actually. Here I already covered a class related discussion. What discussion? Class related discussion. Please make a note actually. When I was explaining about class in Python, my view is upcoming there are classes are coming. If you really wanted to understand these classes actually, be strong here. Are you with me or not, sir? That's what. On an average, I can say more than 25 Python sessions we covered actually. How many sessions, sir? More than 25. 20 plus sessions we covered actually. Can I get a response from you? Did you cover actually? Sir, I covered. I covered actually. We are going to playing with index. We are good to go. Then, come on, look at my screen. Look at the output actually. Yeah, this one is the data. It's okay. This one is the name of the column. Index by default starts from 0. I don't want that 0th index actually. I wanted to give my own index. I wanted to give what exactly? My own. So simple, same thing like a series. Create one small, list actually. The data number of rows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Index also exactly you have to take 9 values. Otherwise, you will get a length mismatch error. What error, sir? Length mismatch error. Come on. Can we do this actually? Wow. I have a small question for you. My favorite syntax. Keyword augment. Again, my favorite syntax. Get ready. If the providing parameters are more and more, if you are providing parameters are more, go to the next line. Next line indentation, next line indentation, next line indentation. This is really good practice. This is really good practice. Good practice. Getting or not, sir? Good. Let's run this example. Wow. Index we are getting actually. Am I right or not, sir? We are good to go. Children, very easy. Very, very easy, man. Nothing is there. If you're really very good in Python, my suggestion will be strong. Be strong in Python actually. Back to the session. Whenever you are providing keyword augment name should not be changed. If you are changing, you will get an error. Error name is a good. Well try. Come again. Type error. Very good. Error name is a type error. What error? Very good. Overall misspelled. That is okay. Description is important. What is important? Description. The description is a unexpected keyword augment. Chapane. One more time. Madam Chapale. Unexpected keyword augment. Exactly. Chudandi ikkada. Yeah, type error. First point, we are very clear. Yeah, unexpected. Array Daniel, columns I know. Columns is expected actually. Columns of you are giving some, so blah 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 actually. This is I didn't expect it. This I didn't expect it actually. Getting or not? Let me tell you. Keyword augment name should not be changed. So should be same. Otherwise, we'll get error. These are all seems to be minute thing, బట్ యూ షుడ్ నో. చూడడానికి చిన్నవిగానే అనిపిస్తాయి యాక్చువల్గా, బట్ యూ షుడ్ బి వెరీ క్లియర్ మ్యాన్, వెరీ కేర్ఫుల్. యా చెప్పండి. No, sir. No. If you're, yeah, good question. If you're giving dictionary, by default, the keys will come actually. Anyway, already data frame having the name of the columns, and again you are giving the dictionary actually. That is called as a renaming the columns. What exactly? Renaming the column. That is upcoming topic. You can just try to look at my screen and renaming the columns. Here we are going to talk more and more actually. I divided the chapter in such a way that separate functionality, separate discussion, separate. Can I continue? All right. చెప్పండి. We can create actually. Group data frame means group of series. Data frame means what exactly? Group of series actually. Group of series. Yeah, we are almost very near. Hey, Daniel, column name can I give a string data? You can give, sir. Column name can I give a string data? You can give actually. Hey, I'm sorry, not column data. Index. What exactly? Index. Index. Can I give a different string data? Okay. You can just have to come here and you can just have to provide this one. Here we go. Let us continue. Exactly. Online team, what happened? I lost some. I had some network glitch actually. Just now I'm back. Is my voice is clear? Sayed sir, this is upcoming topic. We can talk later actually. Chodani. Yeah, I'm sure. If you really understand these are all, then yeah, then creating a data frame by loading the files actually. Maybe today only we are going to discuss about that. We done about this topic. Yeah, చెప్పండి sir. Good question, sir. Maybe one day, our brother also asked the same question. First of all, understand, valid question. Are Daniel, think like, I do have a 1 lakh rows. How many rows? 1 lakh rows. And manually typing 1 lakh index. I wanted to change the index actually. It is a tedious job. It's take a lot of time. Instead of that one, there is a one method. Method name is a set underscore index. Chapan? Yeah, by using that in one shot, we can change actually. By default, it takes the value. You can tell the starting point and ending point actually. Let's close this one. From this topic, you should be understand what is a data frame, how to create a data frame. So it contains rows and columns. It is having name of the column. It contains index also. We can change the index also. Just to have given a small quick introduction actually. Right? Now let's continue. We done this chapter. Happy to see that. Am I going speed actually? మీరు మాట్లాడలేదు సార్. I hope my flow is, you are able to understand actually. Then this one is a running topic. And what is upcoming topic? Upcoming topic is a data frame attributes. Kumar sir, PANDAS take exactly 14 sessions actually, around 14 sessions. Kumar, one of our teammate is asking, Arey Daniel, tell me how many days PANDAS you will take the session actually. On an average, it will be, on an average, it will be 14 sessions, sir. After PANDAS, next one is the live project actually. PANDAS is more interesting. Is it interesting? Yeah, easy man, very easy. We have a material, you have a running nodes, prepare this one. Let me drink water, 1 minute actually. Let me take a small break. Yeah, we are good to go. Let's continue. Let me take a seat actually. Now, talk with me. What is the topic name? Loading the different files. What exactly? Loading the different files. Good. Online team having some issue. I'm wondering either it is from my side or else their side actually. Tim, one of our teammate, Supriya boss, they're telling my voice is not. What about others actually? Let me get a confirmation. We are sorry. We are sorry for this. Sorry. What about others actually? What about others? Come again. My voice is clear, I guess. Now it's clear. Okay. I'm wondering I have some network issue from Naresh IT side only. I still connected with plugin, not Wi-Fi. Okay. Try to rejoin. If I spell out also, she cannot, So Supriya boss, try to rejoin. Let's move on. Listen carefully. Now I have taken list, single list. What exactly mean? Single list. I have taken a single list. With single list, we created a data frame. We have created what exactly? Data frame. We are good to go. The next one I have taken nested list. Chappan sir, nested list. Even with that, we created a data frame. With that also we created what exactly? Data frame. Then I have taken a dictionary. I have taken what exactly? Dictionary. With that also we have created a data frame. Sir, I'm sorry for saying these are all not real-time example. This is something like a just to better to understand how the data frame looks like. అసలు డేటా ఫ్రేమ్ అంటే ఎలా ఉంటుందో చెప్పడానికి నేను ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ అని ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశాను. I have explained all these examples to show you, sir, data frame is like this. It is having columns, it is having the data, it is having index like this actually. Now, what is the real-time example? The real-time example will be, first point, client will give the file. Client will give, talk with me. File having the data. File having what exactly? We do have a different files. I will show you that. The moment whenever you are loading the file, the beauty is we are going to get a data frame. You are going to get what exactly? Data frame. Let me explain one more time. With single list, you can create a data frame. These are all Britannia example actually. I'm sorry. I mean to say small basic example. But generally, in real time, client will tell, Daniel, go to the folder. There is a file. There is what exactly? File. In that file, would have a data. Then we need to load that file in a pandas. The moment whenever you are loading that file in a pandas actually, we'll get a data frame. We'll get what exactly? Are you ready, sir? Right. What are all files would you have? I'm going to show you CSV file. What file meant? CSV file, JSON file, Excel file, and TSV file, and website also. In a website there is a table. So no doubt at all. No doubt at all actually. If you're trying to using these are all files. If you're trying to using what exactly mean? These are all files. Sir, we will get a data frame. We'll get what exactly? Data frame actually. I'm sorry. Let me write my handwriting, sir, please. We'll get a data frame. Very good. I'm sure you'll get what exactly mean? Data frame. You can use any file. You can use what exactly? Any file. Come on, let's move on. Step by step we'll see. Trust me, I never waste your time actually. Since our childhood, we learnt already one notation, that is a dot dot dot. Yeah. We are good to go. First file I'm showing. First file I'm showing actually. The file will be, can I open the material? Yeah, let's start actually. Let us just have to open the material. Today onwards, I need to upload, along with the PDF, I need to upload files also. You're good. Loading the files. Chappan sir? Loading the file. I mean to say, on an average, get ready. Client is going to give this kind of files. Client is going to give, these are all files actually. Client will give CSV file, JSON file, these are all files, no matter what actually. No doubt at all. Client will give actually. Once client has given any type of file, from that file, what exactly we are going to get, you know, sir? We will get a data frame. Chappani? Yeah, data frame will get actually. What do you mean by data frame? Group of rows and columns actually. What exactly? Rows and columns, along with the index. Along with what exactly? Index actually. Please make a note on this one. Sir, I hope you are getting. Can I continue? Let me show you. Let us start actually. Loading the files. We can load different files in a pandas. Whenever you are loading the files in a pandas, then it is returning data frame. It is returning what exactly? Sir, let me tell you, it should return data frame. If it is data frame, there is a lot of functionality we can call actually. Methods we can call very easily. Attributes we can call very easily. That's why all inside file, what data you do have, it is taking that one and it is giving as a data frame. It is giving as what exactly? Data frame actually. Sir, are you getting everyone? Yeah, good. Let's move on. Once after data frame is created or else written, then based on requirement, you can perform what exactly mean? Several operations actually. What are all operations? I will show you. File by file I will explain. Don't be hurry. Let me explain slowly by actually. The first one, CSV file we are loading. What loading? CSV file. The next one, JSON file, Excel file, TSV or TVS sir? TSV. Tab separated values. Chappani? Tab separated value. The next one, table from web page. Table from what exactly? Web page. First file, let me help you CSV file. Let me talk about the CSV file. CSV file. You know, data in a CSV file data actual. The point will be, Tim, CSV means comma separated values. Chaptara? Comma separated values actually. That's what it is called as a children first word. C, comma, S separated, V means values. Now I'm going to show you one data. That data file name is a sales1.csv file. Chappan sir? Sales1.csv file. This is I have created a separate one file actually. Inside that file would have a lot of data. Let me show you that one. Then I will show you how to load that CSV file in PANDAS actually. Are you ready? Chappan sir? Let me show you. I need your help actually. Sales one, is it Microsoft Excel comma separated value? Let me just try to take this one separately. I don't want to merge here. Copy here in a separate folder. We are good to go. I have taken one file. My file name is a sales one. What is my file name? Sales one actually. Sales one. Let's give a double click. Sir, CSV file means something like a Excel file only. Something like what exactly? Excel file. Microsoft Excel file actually, but small little difference. I will show you. Though it is comma separated value, you can give it double click and you can open. It opens like a table format. See, ఒక file format లో మీకు open అవుతుంది. Okay, very good. This is really beautiful, sir. Yeah. Can somebody tell me? What is the name of the column, sir? Chappandi. Customer name, first column. Next one, product. Next one, quantity. Think like this is e-commerce data. They do have a lot of customers. Last month the transactions, think like that actually. Yeah. First one is a customer name. What is a customer name? Viru. He bought one monitor. Quantity how much actually? 2. He bought 2 in one shot actually. One is for him, another is for his sister actually. Are you with me or not? That is up to his interest, right? The next one is a Tarun. What he bought? M10. How many? 3. Very good. Conclusion of the story. Every record is a one piece of information about the customer. I mean to say row number 1. Do you think this is the row? I will cry, sir. That is not a row actually. That is not what exactly row. That is a header. What exactly? Header actually. Header is not countable, right? Now row number 1, row number 2, row number 3. Yeah, I have one small question. Sir, can somebody tell me what is the customer name? Venu. What he bought? Mac Pro laptop. What is the customer name? What he bought actually? Headset. It might be counter question why he bought 2 actually. He can buy. Why? Because it might be possible. Are you with me or not, sir? Conclusion of the story. Is there any rule in Amazon I need to buy only one product actually? No. I hope you understand. Like this, how many rows would you have, Conclusion of the story. Once client have given the data you have to understand. You need to do friendship with the data. How many columns would you have? How many rows would you have? What kind of data? These are all things actually. Okay. How many rows would you have? Any rows would you chupinchmantara? You can just have to keep on scroll down. Oh my God. How many rows, man? Do you think 6 not 1 actually? No. First one is a header. Then total 600 rows. How many rows? Now here is the beauty. Let us load this file in Pandas. Then Pandas will give Daniel, take a data frame. Take what exactly? Are you ready? Let me show you that. Very simple, sir. Very, very simple actually. Let me delete this. That is a physical file. That is a physical file. So if you, yeah, good question. If it is a physical file, if you wanted to, let me tell you, total number of rows actually, you have to count manually. But if you convert into data frame, just one attribute you can call, it returns the total rows actually. Okay, yeah, good. One more point I forget to tell. Control Z. Now, children, as I told you, this is the comma separated value. What values, man? Comma separated values. Comma separated value. Do you want to see it is really comma separated value? Give a right click and open with notepad. Otherwise I like notepad plus plus. ఇక్కడ మీరు చూడండి మీకు తెలుస్తుంది ఇక్కడ యాక్చువల్గా you know notepad plus plus తెలీదా? It's okay. So some students are telling we don't know. That's okay. Open with notepad. What exactly? Notepad. చూడండి. Yeah, notepad. చూడండి ఇక్కడ. Here you can look at actually. Yeah, order ID, customer name, product, quantity. Are you getting or not? Comma separated. What separated? Yeah, the data is separated like a comma actually. First column name is a order ID. Next one, customer name. Next one, product. Next one, quantity. Ardena. Let's close this. Let me load this file. Let me load what exactly? This file. 5 minutes would you have? I will continue. Online team, I hope you are clear actually. The conclusion of the story. Daniel, there is a file name is a salesforce.csv. I'm giving this file to the Pandas. I'm giving this file to what exactly? Pandas. Then Pandas will give data frame. Pandas will give what exactly? Data frame. If you are giving file to the Pandas, Pandas will give the data frame. Please understand that point actually. Please understand that point. Now let me show you. Import Pandas as PD. Pandas as what exactly? PD. There is important interview question. Please focus actually. Yeah, df equals to PD dot. Talk with me. PD dot. One more time. There is a one function. That function name is a read underscore CSV. Chapani. Read underscore CSV. One more time. Here you need to provide name of the file. You need to provide what exactly? Name of the file. That within the double quotes you need to provide actual. Sir, just a matter of one line. That too you just need to call one function. Don't ask what is a function actually. You just need to call one function. Function name is read underscore CSV. The moment when you call this one, if you are giving name of the file, it returns the data frame. It returns what exactly? That's the beauty actually. That's the beauty, right? Let me just try to print this one. Here is the important point. The point will be where your program is available. Chappandi. మీ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఎక్కడుంది యాక్చువల్గా? కోడింగ్ ఫోల్డర్. చెప్పండి సార్. కోడింగ్ ఫోల్డర్. File also should be available in the same folder. File also should be available in what exactly? Same folder. Somebody is asking question, is it function or method? Actually simple. Go back to the module topic. During that module I told, like, import addition multiplication as Amul. Actually what exactly? Amul dot addition I called. What I called? Amul dot addition. Here read underscore CSV is a function. Chapan sir, you are calling by using kind of some package name or module name. Actually మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా సార్? I need a response from you. Still you are having doubt, that is okay, I will accept you. మీకు ఇంకా ప్రాక్టికల్గా కావాలి అంటే నైస్ క్వశ్చన్, దెన్ యూ విల్ షో మీ దట్ ఈస్ లైక్ దిస్. నో వన్ ఎవర్ షో సార్, ఎవరు ఇలా ప్రూవ్ చేయరు యాక్చువల్గా. రీడ్ అండర్ స్కోర్ సిఎస్వి. లెట్ మీ ప్రూవ్ దిస్ వన్ ఈజ్ అ ఫంక్షన్. ప్రూవ్ చేస్తాను చూడండి, అది ఫంక్షన్ అని యాక్చువల్గా. వావ్, టాక్ విత్ మీ. ఫంక్షన్, వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ ఫంక్షన్? రీడ్ అండర్ స్కోర్. దట్స్ ఇట్ యాక్చువల్. No one ever prove like this, but that knowledge you should maintain actually. Siddiq sir, hope you got it clear. I hope మీకు అర్థమైంది అనుకుంటున్నా. Siddiq sir, you know Telugu? Are you from? You're from where basically? Okay, thank God. New York actually. Yeah, good. Then what is the time now actually? What is the time frame? You're joining at what time now? Early morning, I guess. Oh, good, sir. Very good. All right, thank you. And you know what? Can I continue tomorrow? But very interesting session tomorrow. The tomorrow topic will be, we have a files. That files we are loading one by one, and we are getting data frame. One by one we are getting what exactly? Data frame, which is really interesting. Don't miss tomorrow's session. We done for today's session. Ayyo. Running notes we done. Sir, please take care about your health and everything. Health should be first. Take food properly at right time, and please boost your immune system. Oh, yesterday itself I uploaded, I guess, actually, right? Then I need to attach running notes. Kada? Yeah. Let us attach actually. Why I upload yesterday? I give an offer, I guess, actually. Yeah. Okay, good. Let us upload running notes. Last 2 minutes. If anyone is unable to understand the session, do let me know. I'm happy to help you. And but please be clear with all these topics. Not even one topic you should not skip actually. Every topic you should understand, especially what I'm teaching. Let us upload that image also. See. Why I draw this diagram, Yeah, I have a small question. Can I ask a question? What is the object name? What is the variable name? DF. Total how many rows actually? 9 rows. How many? Now we have a CSV file. CSV file having salesforce.csv, 600 rows, sir. How many? Now get ready. Tomorrow we are going to create an object. Inside that object 600 rows actually. Beautiful. Sir, it can be 6 million rows also. It can be 6 crore also. That's the beauty. Total data we are dumping into one object. We are storing into what exactly? One object. That's the beauty actually. I like object topic very well. Why? Because here they're manipulating their working operations, everything by using object actually. Make a point to be clear actually. Object, object, object. I'm talking always about object actually. All right. Hope you understand. Let us. We are good to go. So don't miss tomorrow's session. Thank you. We're done for today's session. We're done for today's session. Online team, thank you, boss. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for your time.